More and more software teams are choosing GitLab to manage their code, issues, and builds, and today, those teams can now use Sleuth to also track their deployments and deployment health. I'm Don, co-founder of Sleuth, and today I'm going to show you how you can get started with Sleuth, connect to GitLab, and start tracking your deployments and deployment health today. Let's get started. We start with a project in GitLab, and just to be confusing a little bit, the name of the project is Sleuth, because I felt that was probably the best representation of an active project that I was working on. So we have this in GitLab. This is running on my local machine, so this is GitLab hosted, but it works for GitLab Cloud as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sign up for Sleuth. So let's go to Sleuth and let's sign up, and let's create a new org. Sleuth demo sounds fine. And demo sleuth.io. Username is going to be sleuth demo. Sleuth is the password, and let's sign up. So first, it's going to ask us to set up a project. We're going to rename our project from default to sleuth demo, I suppose. Next, it's going to want us to choose environments. Production and staging is fine for the purposes of this demonstration. Now we're going to add the deployment. So you can see we already support, Sleuth supports GitLab, GitHub, and Bitbucket, but we're going to choose GitLab in this case. Enable and add. Now it's going to need a personal token. So I'm going to go back over to my GitLab instance, and we're going to go create a personal token. So I'm going to go down to access tokens. We'll call it demo. We'll have it expire, I don't know, sometime soon. And for the scopes, we're going to choose API. That's all you need. When I create this token, I will copy the token, go back over to Sleuth, and paste that token in. Now, one thing I do need to change is the domain. Since I'm running my own GitLab instance, I need to point it at that GitLab instance. So mine is just at GitLab. We have an API token, we hit save. Now we have the GitLab configuration saved. So let's choose a deployment, a repository, sorry. So I'm going to choose Sleuth out of the drop-down, and we're going to say finish setting up. Now what Sleuth is going to do is go out to GitLab and try to pull down the commits one by one to populate some history so we have some idea of the deployments that have happened over time. And that's all there is. You can now use the full information of GitLab, connect it to Sleuth, start tracking your deployments, track your impacts, be notified of changes, notified of unhealthy deployments, and hopefully streamline your deployment situation so that you can ship code faster, safely.